Welcome everybody, we're back. The show continues. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. Let the show begin. How's everybody doing? What's up? What's up? Curry Fishbowl. Hey, Green. Good morning. Andrew. Hey, what's up? With Philcos in the house. Marco. Yeah, here we are once again. Proudly presented. Finished lunch? Nice. Yonix. Hey, what's up? It's a little bit too bright here. I need to adjust the lights again. Hold on. I can do this. I can actually do this. Okay, that's a little bit better. Now it's too dark. I need to find the perfect tone. Okay, it will be fine. Hey Dreamer, what's up? Sabotage. Pinion Mendez, welcome in the building. Nice, some tea. Ah, nice. For digest, that's good. Okay, duly noted, Philcos. Vil Owens, good morning. What's up, everybody? How was the Asia session? How was Asia session? Any good moves? Any good moves happened so far? Let me know. Asia was bad. Yeah, look at that. I was actually watching the range earlier. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh, like 20 points. Very bad. Kind of makes me wonder, are we gonna break higher and higher? It feels like, you know, this market is absolutely unstoppable. So why not? This is the daily chart, by the way, on NQ. This is the daily. Quite interesting. You're in bed. Nice. Up, down, up, down. Okay, moves. Well, yeah, I mean, and look at the daily chart on NQ. I mean, look at this. Oof. Absolutely mental, the way it goes. And look at the weekly chart. My gosh. Unstoppable. Unstoppable. Really, it's I feel like, just in case if the market would want to sell off, we might need to put a line to the next daily fair value gap at 664. You know, just in case. Just in case. You never know. Possible sell side liquidity, which is a daily fair value gap. You never know. Down there. Doing great. Dreams were good. All were great. Everything was great. Expecting lower at 960s at least. Could go. Could be having some retests, I guess. That would be interesting to see. My bias. Oh man. Bias. Almost impossible to say bias here. So let's go back to the 5-minute here. I would say that technically there was an Asia sweep, but obviously we have a level at 974. It's just, I mean, I was looking for zones as well. I didn't see anything. Muhammad, hey, good to see you. The business lens. Hey. Any giveaway? Let's see. I do have a Take Profit Trader account left for a giveaway. Which, you know what, we're gonna do it tomorrow. We're gonna give away a Take Profit Trader account tomorrow. and we're gonna do my funded futures giveaway on Thursday and Friday. How about that? Because today I have to leave a little bit earlier, and I wanted to do it when everybody is here, when you have much more. I mean, today I'm gonna have to leave about 15 or 20 minutes before the pre-market open. So that means about 3:40-ish a.m. Eastern Standard. So in about 1 hour and 35 minutes at least, or at latest, I have to leave. So the liquor card, yeah, exactly, Philcos. I know that. Good morning, Adam. Jó reggelt. Camille. The feeling I can win. Stay tuned for tomorrow and Thursday and Friday, because there are going to be giveaways. I'm not leaving. I'm still going to be here, and I'm still hoping that we can get something out of this market. So my bias for NQ, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Like zero, nada. I really don't see anything in this. I wish I would or could. I know, right? I know. I mean, what can we do, right? Oh, would you look at that? $25K mess around. Yeah, it is. It's going to gravitate here, so it's just very, 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 very bad to do anything. Oh, look at that. Wool Barbie posted this. Oh, you guys don't see it, of course. Of course you guys don't see it. Me dreaming of taking shots at the futures market with TOMSABO in the morning. That was nice. It was a good show yesterday. I enjoyed it. Yeah, it was nice. It was good to be there with Nick and Barbie. I really wish that trade would have gone good. I mean, I was a little bit frustrated about the trade, by the way, yesterday. But you know, to be fair and square, I managed to recoup those losses after the stream as price were approaching 25K. I went for like 10-15 points of scalps, so I managed to redo that loss. Actually, I went in with one full mini on that position. My loss was $420 or $30 on that position, and the analysis was good. I was like, man, how could I miss this? But don't worry, I got it back, and that was on a funded account. Yeah, we have PPI, no, not PPI, PMI news all over the place. Oh my god, it's too bright. PMI news. Yeah, PMI news. Yeah, it's gonna be the PMI news. I get red around Barbie. What? No, I don't. I don't. That's not true. That's not true, is it? I mean, no, I was not. Don't worry. I'm not because this is the reason I'm leaving earlier, but today I'm gonna go to the barber shop, you know. So I'm gonna get a new haircut. I'm gonna be looking sharp for my funded TV later. Trump and Powell speaking today. Oh my gosh. That's gonna be great. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I guess if we if price would be closing above the 50s, we could see the bullish run continuing. Yes, also in the range. I don't know where to go with this. This is just so, I mean, this is rare. Haircut for Barbie. No, only for me. Disciplined Trader, good morning. What's up, Alicia? Yeah, sure. Exactly, Camille. Yeah. I enjoy talking with her. I thought that she's going to maybe troll with me or something, but she wasn't. Maybe today. Who knows? Maybe today. Exactly. Pinion Mendes, that you absolutely nailed my thought there. I think until some so-called major information or news driver comes up, this is what we're gonna happen. This is what's gonna happen. This one. This is what's gonna happen. Boom. So Jack Wong, hey, good morning. What's up? Good to see you, Jack. Oh man, is this what it's gonna be right now? Really? My god. Oh my god. Is there another market that we can trade? Anything that moves potentially? Maybe you have to trade Forex or something. I don't know. What's old man Russell is doing? Okay. Even Russell is looking better. Crude. I don't want to. What else can we trade? Pound futures? No. Yen futures? No, thank you. I know. Let's trade Bitcoin. It's fun. Oh my god. This is gonna be painful. Gold is good. Let's check on gold. Gold is good. Well, we have all-time high here. Good news is, as this is an Asia high, actually. Asia high, right there. So, what do you guys think? What's gonna happen with gold? Euro futures are good. I think I have it somewhere. Here's Euro futures. Let's check on Euro futures. You know what? It's actually not that bad. It's actually not that horrible. On the 1 minute it is. Oh, no, thank you. No, I can't. I just can't. Gold is going, yeah, that's what I was thinking too. So I was watching gold. Actually, we can take a trade on gold, right? Where is gold? Would be great to see this one go to 800. That's a nice number right there. Do we want to take it? What would be the risk? One-to-one risk to reward ratio with 1 micro. Do we want to do this? Do we really want to do this? Oh, sorry. All right, jumped into a long position on gold, only on evaluation accounts, only on eval. Let's see if this one wants to go to, I'm gonna go to 99 on this one. And only on evaluation account, all right? One single micro just to see what's gonna happen. That is all. That is all. So I do have a gold long position now. Where do I put this? For you guys to see. Actually, I'm copy trading it, so put multiple evaluations. Here's the trade. And that's it. You know, just to see what's gonna happen. Out of curiosity. Let's see if gold wants to make a move to that 3,800. If not, who cares? Zacromancer, good morning. What's up? What is going on? Okay, NQ seemingly wants to push higher. Gold is still there. Okay. Great market conditions as always. By the way, I think today is the last day of Apex 80%. I don't know if they're going to do any sale by the end of the month. But I think today is the last day at the 80% discount. With Apex, I'm going to check it. Yeah, last day today. Check it out. Any bias, Vil? No, absolutely no. Here at all-time high, you know, look at how rangy it is. Asia session was technically in like 17 points, absolutely no bias. Obviously, everybody's waiting for this one to sell off to give us some possible targets, or go for like internal liquidity within some range here. This is the 1 hour chart. Maybe we could pick up some liquidity lower, but I have absolutely no bias, absolutely no zones, nothing I could look for, nothing. Unfortunately, I wish I could tell you otherwise, but shenanigan, hey, what's up? I mean, you can go for a previous day high if you want to. Obviously, it's not far. It's like 17 points away. So it can go. I have this gold position. Actually, I'm copy trading it on the TRADEDAY, Funded Futures Network, and Bulenox. But as you can see, only one micro, just to see if we go for that round number of 3,800, and that's it so far. That's all I have. Nothing else. Oh man. Yeah, all-time high, exactly. Man, this is just, I mean, I was expecting something more from the market this morning, but it's just not happening. It's not happening. Yeah, it's a tough trade, exactly, Shenanigan. Farhad, hey, good morning, Farhad. How you doing, man? Oh my god, this market. Okay. We'll see. NLT, what's up? Hey. I only have a small gold position. That's all I have. Here it is. But I'm copy trading it to multiple accounts, but I only have this one. I'm kind of curious if this is gonna go to 3,800. That's all. It's like $100 times 4. But that's it. Nothing more. Yeah, that's also true, Philcos. Thank you for the input. But yeah, true. Okay, so far there's nothing more to do with this. Kind of watching NQ as well, but it's just not doing anything. Would be nice to see gold popping higher, but that's it. Oh my god, this is gonna be gonna be a very, very painful session. I can already tell you that. This is gonna be painful. Long 2 mini gold. Come on, Fizzlid. Andrew, well, because it's look at the range. We're at all-time high on NQ, just like ES. No specific zone that we can go for. There is some fair value gaps lower. If that's what you're looking for, then obviously you can look for a possible short or maybe a break of previous day high. We're pretty much again in the same range. since the market closed, so it's very hard to predict anything. The only thing that I thought that maybe we can go for that 3,800 on gold, you know, why not? But that is it. We got stopped at break even. Yeah, typical session. Typical. Muba, good morning. Yeah, the PM session was a little bit interesting. Top down. I think a new high, New York session overall structure. Yeah. I mean, obviously, it seems like that this is a kind of an accumulation phase here, especially if you look at the 15-minute and the 1-hour chart. Look at the 1 hour. You know, strong push, accumulation. I can imagine the market go higher to the hundreds, to the 25K and 100. Fundamentally, I don't see the reason. I don't know. Obviously, the imminent rate cuts, I mean, further rate cuts this year are definitely bullish for every market. It's pushing it higher. Be careful with the shorts, that's for sure, especially if you're intraday swing trading. At the same time, I think there is a certain amount of risk aversion happening. That's why gold keeps climbing higher and higher. Because all-time highs, you know, some big players could be also transitioning into gold. Who knows? London trading. London Open is going to happen at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard in about 33 minutes. In about 33 minutes. 3 a.m. Eastern Standard. I got yesterday 2 reset and 1 scale. Wow. Andrew. What? You are very fast. Andrew is very, very fast. Yeah, it could go all-time high. I mean, no surprise in that. 20 points is all-time high, so yeah. Post accumulation, yeah, expect manipulation and goes higher. We could see some liquidity sweep, yes, lower and then push it higher, obviously. Yeah. Stacks Networks, what's up? Hey. Jerome Powell, yeah. There's gonna be some talks, some speech. I think he's going to avoid even being asked about rate cuts or details about rate cuts and about the usual stuff. I don't know what's he gonna talk about, but I think he will do everything to avoid talk about the main questions. Lorenzo, good morning. 40K? Oh my god. Yeah, he thinks prop is a scam. Lorenzo, that's an amazing payout for a month. Amazing. Dude, that is awesome. Congratulations. 40K, my god. Well, yeah, obviously, Andrew, yeah, we might have to wait a little bit. Boom Banana, hey! I guess multiple accounts, most likely. This is the gold trade. Yeah, gold trade is so far so good. 5 XFAs with top step. Nice. Well, you definitely you can try MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader. Also, a good thing with Take Profit Trader is there is no scaling in the funded account, so you can go straight with as many contracts as you're allowed to. I'm maximized with MyFundedFutures. Definitely, yeah, that's what I'm saying. MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader. Also, by the way, Funded Futures Network. We are keep underestimating Funded Futures Network. They are really pulling up, and they Trade Day. You know, Trade Day now also has the daily payouts. You're allowed to have 3 funded accounts at a time, not like before, only with 1. So now you can go with 3. So I would say Funded Futures Network Trade Day coming up. Bulenox still rocking. And I'm also building like multiple accounts with Apex still. So there's some, I mean, there's definitely some good prop firms. FundingTicks, TRADEIFY, oh man, so many good prop firms. Instant funded accounts, if that's what you're looking to go for, obviously. Instant funded with TRADEIFY and FundingTicks is a good deal. Into the flash sale for 50k subs. I think they have the 50k subs, right? Do we have the 50k subs on my funded TV? I think it's already done. Yeah. Yeah, so they had that. They had that flash sale. Earlier today. Took 5k payout earlier today. Nice. Let's go. That is amazing, Stacks Networks. Wow. Yeah, 50.3k. Nice. No news or flash sales so far. Yeah. I mean, there's always something going on with my funded TV, so some free stuff, freebies are always happening. Oh my god, this is so painful. Oh, there might be no more buy one get one for free. I have to stop that from Streamlabs. Let me update that. Let me update that. Oh yeah, there's a 50% off resets. Oh, the buy one get one for free is extended. All right. And September 30. Nice. I need to update that. I need to update. Post. Let's update this. All right. So 50% off. Buy one, get one for free. Edit. Extended. September. Again. Okay, so 50% off, buy one, get one for free is extended again. If you go to my YouTube post, you will find everything about this. Basically, for $37.50, you get a 50K evaluation account with no activation fee. I have to change the flyer for later, but it's cool. So this is not okay. It's extended, but I'm gonna change that. Yeah, extended, so it's still on. Yeah. It's so good. The market is stuck, basically. Yeah, the market is stuck. What do I think? Boom Banana, what I think is better to stay away from NQ. Better to stay away from this market. Yeah, stacks. Exactly. 25K a week, yeah. Nice numbers. My left hand above my head and hold it there for 2 minutes. Why? Why would I do that? I love trading all-time highs. Yeah, I don't. Okay. Gold is ranging. Oh my god. I'm just gonna say it out right now. This is the most painful London session in the past like 2 months. I can already say that. Look at this. Very painful. Yeah, it was a weird request, but you know, because it was from Filkos, I can actually understand. So no problem. You know, we got used to this from Filkos. It's fine. Oh my god. Yeah, 75%, $75 per month. Oh my god, that's I gotta upload some images there. Let's edit this one. Oh, I can't do this. Come on, I wanted to post an image. Oh, I can. No, I can't. Ah, okay, then I have to redo this. I have to redo this. And now I have to upload some images. No. Let's do Canva. Buy one, get one for free. Trying to upload a post for Funded Futures Network. The market is not moving, so if you want to pull the trigger, go for it. It's just not doing anything. Daily payout. Yeah, daily payout, Shotya, you can find the link in the description or in the chat. Streamlabs is also putting it out there. It's Trade Day and Take Profit Trader. I would advise Take Profit Trader, Shotya. It's daily payout. Or Satya. I don't know if you're Hungarian or not. If you're Hungarian, we say Shotya. If you're not Hungarian, we say Satya. But yeah, Take Profit Trader and Trade Day, but I would go with Take Profit Trader. Trade Day is good too. Sorry, they're awesome too, but they only have you're not okay then. Satya, sorry. So yeah, Take Profit Trader definitely is awesome with the daily payouts. Okay, let's go to Canva. Oh, come on. What am I doing wrong here? September 30. Okay, it's better now. I'm an excellent graphic designer. Just saying. I'm creating an image here. Okay. Group image. All right. Download selection. Okay, should be able to download it now. Okay, now it's better. Now it's better. Buy one, get one for free. All right. Posting it right now. Ah. Damn it. It's not good. It's not good. I need to do again. Okay, images. Nice. We have the image. Okay, this is gonna be the first one. Nice. Okay. Post this. Now it should be good. Nice. Okay. And we can delete the previous one. We can delete this one. Okay. We made it. We made it. Awesome job. And look at how much the market went since we did the graphic design. Look at the movement. Look at how much NQ has moved. I think it's definitely, it was, oh my god, oh my god. But you know what? If we zoom in, look at that. If we zoom in, it's definitely horrifying. Look at the movement. Look at all this movement here. I mean, it's like 4 points of range. The market absolutely moving crazy. Hey Gabor, what's up? And is repeated twice? Oh no. Where? Ends. Okay. That's something we can correct. Okay. This is when it's painful to trade. Thank you, Romeo. Thank you. I'm sorry, but you know, look at this. It's just absolute painful. Let's look at the gold trade. Ugh. Anyway, at least it's better. The gold is definitely moving a little bit better than NQ. Can't handle intraday trailing, yeah. Well, Jack, I understand completely. You can, I think you can go with trade day, end of day accounts, but it's a little bit more expensive, but yeah. Ollie, good to see you. You're from India, moved to USA. Nice. Joseph, hello. Okay, let's just go back to the 5-minute chart and look at how the market moved. How much? Long on gold? Hanska, hey, what's up? Yeah, one word from Powell and the market is gonna crash. Oh man. Our only hope is in gold. Oh, look at NQ. Now it's breaking higher. Look at this break. It just moved 6 points. Finally. Finally, volume is back to the market. Oh, man. I heard Powell sucks. Good afternoon. Yeah, the usual good afternoon. That's all he says. And it's done. You're a 15 micro. All right. I mean, it can go for 27. Why not? Yeah, I was not streaming in New York yesterday. I was in my funded TV. I was covering for Terry. because she's at the BDH. On the trading competition. And I'm covering for Terry at MyFunded TV. I heard that she won, right? Yesterday she won the day. That's kind of cool. 4 more days to go. So that's kind of cool. Everyone liked her. Nice, nice. That's good. That is good. That is actually good. She's farming the people from the BDH. The viewers. Why is this market so slow? I don't understand. Why is it not moving? Come on. Yeah, Parminder, I feel that. I think it's real. Philcos, who knows? I think we mastered time travel too. I think so. She calls it garage and he pays her 25k. Well, technically it's a garage, so I think, and that's just my personal opinion, there's too many cars there right now. I get it that he likes to collect the cars now, but I just saw the background, like there's too many cars stacked up. No, maybe I'm looking it wrong. Not that I have any problem with the cars, they're awesome, but you know, why not just having 1 or 2 cars like in the background? That would be better, I guess. But now it's basically a garage. Good morning, online safety. What's up? And trade copiers, exactly. What is going on here? Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Got stepped out. Oh, careful with that. This could be, that's a very tight range here. Yeah, should be a radio DJ. Yeah, I wish, right? I would see it push fast through the highs now. Well, it could happen. What's up with the gold trade? Still sideways. Now it's a little bit painful to watch. guys, I don't know what to say. This is just absolutely I'm actually going to fix a coffee. You guys want to see where I go to fix the coffee? Martin Muchka, hello. Do I have a droid cam? Droid cam here. Okay, I do have it here too. Can I do audio? Do I have audio here? Hold on. Yeah, today Powell is gonna speak. Make a portfolio and send to radio stations. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Here's what I see. Hello. Hello, everybody. What do I have here? Oh, I have the... I have this one. I have my watch. I have a BMW watch here. You guys wouldn't believe it. But this is... I don't know if you don't see it. But this is a BMW watch. Man, I can't show it properly, but there's a BMW emblem there. Anyway, doesn't really matter. And this is me. Hello. The Adidas perfume is the best. Obviously. Oh man. Waiting on your coffee. Now I wanna know if this one does audio as well or not. I'm not sure if it does. But yeah, I have the window partially opened. But anyway, here's the skeleton. Is resting right there. And yeah. I have cigarettes too, by the way, on the desk, but I'm not smoking cigarettes. Yeah. I'm just super bored. I'm sorry. I'm so bored. I guess you guys can tell. Arab country perfume. Yeah. Actually, I guess you guys don't see it if I show this, but I have the same thing. I have, you guys can't read it. It's David Beckham, but you can't read it properly. Lights. but it says David Beckham. Anyway. So... oh my gosh, it's spiking down. What's gonna happen now? Skeleton. Very insightful. Let's check on gold. Oh, gold is going down. No. Okay, this is not fun anymore. All right, closing it. NQ is dropping. Oh my god, NQ is tanking, everybody. NQ is tanking. Look at this. The market is dropping, everybody. The market is dropping. Last a couple of weeks, well, Cobb, it was slow. It was slow. Yes, I reduced their frequency. I did. How did it affect your performance? Very good. Very good. I'm just going to give you guys a quick update of how I'm doing. All right. With some of these accounts. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Apex accounts currently. All right. So I have, I have 5 Apex accounts. These are almost brand new. This one has only 479 bucks on it. This one has 435. This one has 280 bucks. So these are almost new. 278, 603. So these are the Apex accounts that I have. I have 3 Bulenox accounts. This was the one, I mean, these 3 Bulenox accounts were the ones that I was mostly working on the past couple of weeks. This one has 2,766. This one has 2,311. This one has 2,475. I have a Funded Futures network evaluation account, still working on it. Oh, this is the one I put the trade on. Sorry, this is just an eval. This is the gold trade, which is still open. And this is a funded account. I'm still trying to go for the $2,000 safety net. So only have $600 on this. I have 2 funded accounts at MyFundedFutures. Yesterday, I managed to recover from the loss. I have a core account and the scale account funded. It only has $84, the core account. This one only has $205. And I have 2 trade day accounts also working to get funded. This one has 1,851 and $912. And I also have a TRADEIFY account, which is on TRADEAWAIT, almost funded level growth accounts, I think, but that's on TRADEAWAIT, is being copy traded. So I'm pretty much behind. I was hoping that I can pull off a payout from Bulenox next week, so that's the goal basically. So currently that means that overall I have, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 funded accounts. But so far, Bulenox is the closest to get the payouts from. So, and I already had 2 payouts from. Oh yeah, I haven't connected to my Take Profit Trader account. I have 2 accounts, but those are not pro accounts. I closed down my pro account, not because I blew it up. I took the $1,000 and I took another 1,000 in payouts. So I'm working on 2 more Take Profit Trader accounts. Mr. Proper, what's up? How many trades do you aim per week? Per week? Well, it's hard to say. On daily average, I would say 4 trades. So per week, I would say like anywhere between 18 to 20, 25 maximum. Stopped on gold. I'm still in the gold trade, but it doesn't look good. The London Open happened, so not much is happening. Unfortunately. It is what it is. 10 trading days or 10 trading days, Jack. 10 trading days. No 10 winning days. They don't require 10 winning days. Only 10 trading days. I have received multiple payouts this year from Bulenox. Actually, last year too. So I am very, very, very satisfied with Bulenox. If all goes well, next week I should be able to get like at least 3,000, anywhere between 3,000 to 4,500. And this month is still not going to be like a superb month. And we'll see how it goes. $18 is minimum. Okay. Good morning, Jenna. What's up? Or Jenna, sorry. It's very slow. It's very slow. NQ just started to go down a little bit. I don't even know how much we dropped. 24 points. Hey, Camille, what's up? Good to see you. With trade day, you have end of day or trailing. I have trailing accounts, Yanix. I have trailing accounts. I have no problem with the trailing accounts. Kelly, good morning. He's a hype man. Catching more shorts. Let's go. Yeah. A little bit slow. I only have a gold trade on, and it's only on evaluation accounts. I'm copy trading it to trade day account, the Funded Futures network, and the Bulenox Eval, only with $100 of risk on each. So basically, it's like a very light position. Nothing more, nothing else. I wasn't having any target on NQ to go with, so. It seems like it might want to take that 74 area, presumably. I wouldn't say it's an Asia low, but technically it is. So like 10 more points to the downside. Why not? But the volume is just not enough. That's the problem. See overnight high, get swept and take shorts. Yeah, it didn't happen. Yeah. The sweep didn't happen. It feels like it wants to take out that 74. Nothing else. You're long on DEX? Yeah, everything is slow. I don't know what the market is exactly waiting for, but it's very slow right now. Very, very slow. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of a frustrating situation here. Seems like the gold trade is going to the dumpster. I was really hoping for this one, but who knows? Absolutely trash market. This London session is absolutely a trash. Anyway, let's look at higher time frames. Maybe we see something. No, we don't. Okay, nothing there, nothing there. Very slow. Very, very slow. Even gold is super slow. I feel like NQ can still push it higher. I'm just not sure how far this liquidity sweep is going to go on the downside. Yeah, maybe Kelly. It's just hard to predict anything right now. NQ is pushing back up there, maybe picking up liquidity from this 1 minute gap. Oh man, I'm gonna fall asleep on this. A lot of sideways, yeah. A lot of sideways. You know, if this was the so-called Judas swing, you know, then maybe we're gonna push higher. Who knows? Yeah, this is very annoying. This is very annoying. Oh my god. Painful session. Very painful session. I'm going to show you what my supersonic indicators are showing. Indicators from the future. Okay, so here it is. I don't know if it's visible or not. Sorry about the colors. I'm not the one who created the colors on this one. But as for now, we have NQ and gold here. This big dot here indicates that a strong reversal on the higher time frame to the upside. So if it's pushing back above the moving averages, and then we have a possible long position here on NQ. So far it seemingly wants to push back higher. Same situation on gold. This color indicates that there is lots of indecision in the candles, or I mean in the price. Once we get this, what's this, blue or whatever color it is, candle, then there's a possibility on gold to go higher. And for this one, it needs to change as well, the color. So so far, both on NQ and gold, the supersonic indicators are showing bullish signs at this particular second, but that can change. yeah, focus. Oh man. Hey Art, what's up? Good to see you. This is gold. Still in it. In it to win it. I'm sorry, I just can't. I can't trade this. I can't. I just can't. It's just too painful. Never-ending resource. I was reading about that somewhere. That basically oil is somehow made, not produced or made, because that's not the word for it, but somehow down below, under I don't know how many thousands of meters below Earth, is somehow being regenerated somehow. There was an article about this, so we will have endless supply of oil. Awesome. Let's go online safety. Trade some pure supply and demand. Yeah, it's Martin, absolutely. I'm almost feeling physical pain to watch this market. It's just so bad. I'm sorry to say this, Kelly. This is what I feel. Enter the long scalp. Let's go on gold. I don't know. Okay, okay, this is as far as I could take this. I'm sorry, guys. This is it. I have an appointment anyways. I just can't do it. I can't. This is the most painful London session in the past 2 months. I just can't put on a trade here. I'm gonna leave my gold trade open and I'm gonna cut it here. I have an appointment anyway. As I said earlier at the start of the stream, I have to be at places in about 40 minutes. So this is just a short stream. I can't watch this market. I can't. I feel like this is a waste of our life right now, this London session. So I'll be back for New York. I will do some stream on my own here on my channel, but I'll be covering MyFundedTV. I mean, I'm going to be covering Terry at MyFundedTV, but maybe I will do a stream earlier or a stream after. I'm not sure, but I will do something. So thank you so much for watching. I can't bear. I'm going to leave the gold trade on. Let's see what it does, but that's it. Thank you. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use the code TOMSABO. It really helps me a lot to survive here, to pay the bills, and to keep up the channel and everything. You can use it at FundingTicks, TRADEIFY, instant accounts as well, and MyFundedFutures, even for resets, Take Profit Trader, Bulenox, Apex, FundedFutures Network, and all the rest. Everywhere is the same. Use the code. Help out the stream. Thank you so much for the support. I'm sorry this is a short stream, but actually I'm not really sorry because this is one of the most painful London sessions so far. Exclusive Wiz, good luck, and everybody be safe. I'll be here in New York session and be seeing you guys at MyFundedTV, and also I'm going to do a stream on my end too. So love you all. Thanks for the support. Cheers everybody. God bless.